Hi guys, good morning. Nandito kami ngayon nag-car wash kasi ito lang yung car na hindi pa na-washing. Ayan, at umuulan ng snow ngayon. Doko kara doko made? Buka na mo na yun. Zenbu ka. Hi guys, we're putting air in our tire. This is my car. This is my maliit na car. Lalagyan ng air. Before that we wash this car.
前はもうしたで。
終わった。早く言ってよ。外したい。My husband said he just finished putting the air on this tire. So, kinuha ko na. Binalik ko na naman. Kaya siya. Sa amoy. It's snowing right now. Look at this, guys. Japanese New Year have something like this. Let's make osechi ryori. This one, and this one. So this is Philippine style. We have much to do. Hi guys, Happy New Year! This is our New Year's decorations. And I'm gonna share you guys the toshikoshi soba, the traditional soba, eat before 12 o'clock before New Year. So here it is. And also guys, my girl make cake, Happy New Year cake for us. So here it is. So yummy guys. So guys, our table is ready. Let's eat and